My name is Thaddy Strickland, and today I turned 21. Life has been nothing but crazy, full of fun, excitement, lots of days where I thought, this wasn't gonna work out, but being able to travel, being able to spend time with friends and family, I love it. There's a certain feeling you get when you're not tied down to anything, and once you get a taste of that, even just a little bit, you become addicted. The money's cool, what you can do with money's cool, but traveling the world with my best friends, creating memories at such a young age, all because we own businesses online, we're able to see the world. And because of what I've done, I've been able to speak at these events and teach people how to get started with what got me started in the business scene. And the world's changing. If you can't adapt, well, you'll just get past. So I'm finally 21 now, and I've come such a long way from when I got started when I was 17. And I've started software companies, launched e-commerce businesses, built brands, created content for brands, sold software companies. I started a YouTube channel to teach people about business, and I hope this video inspires you to get started as well, because there is no better time in the history of mankind than to get started right now.